Hey friends, how are you today? Hope you're having a good day so far. Today's video is just a really quick unboxing of a couple things that I bought at Kendra Scott. So one thing I've had for a really long time and I haven't taken it out of the bag just because I want to do this video and I've been lazy. I've had it for a while. They were having a really good sale. I can't remember what it was. It was like 30% off. Anyway, I got a really good deal on this piece of jewelry. And then the other thing is my birthday jewelry. So, you know, you get one piece during your birthday month for 50% off. If it's one of their fine jewelry pieces, I think you get 25% off of that, but just their regular jewelry, necklaces, rings, bracelets, earrings, you get 50% off. So I did take advantage of that, and I got a candle, and I'll tell you about that in just a second. We'll get to the first one that I purchased here. I love how they wrap it up nicely for you. It just makes you feel good. This was regularly $58, and then they were having 30% off, and I had a $15 off coupon. I don't know why, but I just had it. So it ended up being $27 with tax and everything, which is a really good deal for this. So they give you the box, and they also gave me a bow for it in case it's for gift giving. I think this is so pretty, and I think it's gonna go with a lot of stuff, but this is it's like a mother of pearl. I'm not sure what they call it. I'm gonna link everything below for you in case you're interested, but just so pretty. Butterfly. And then honestly, I kind of think you could wear this reversed. I don't think it's meant to be, but that's the reverse side. So it's just like, almost like a filigree or something, but it's definitely meant to go this way. And of course it is silver. All right, so I don't know where I put the length, but it does have quite a bit of space where you can change the length on it. But I might, when I actually wear it, this shirt comes up higher than most of my shirts do, but actually no, I think that's a good length. I like that, so pretty. Next, I got this actually because of one of you. Someone who watched one of my videos clicked on my link for the referral, because when you do that, you get either 20% or $20 off. I can't remember which one it is. And then I get just $20, so like a free $20. And I got this candle. I've actually wanted to try her candles for a really long time. And this is the Rose Quartz. It smells really good. Like, it's just kind of like mellow. It's not overpowering or in any way. And it is a rose scent, but it's not the old-fashioned rose scent. Okay, it says a light romantic bouquet of wild peony and rose petals with a sweet whisper of vanilla and raspberry nectar. So that's the description. It smells really good, and it's pretty. There's the Kendra Scott logo on the front there. This was $22, so I paid $2. I can't remember if I got free shipping or not. So whoever used my link, I really appreciate it. This is my birthday gift, and I actually purchased this online and then just went to the store and picked it up because I didn't want to pay shipping, and I guess I wasn't going to get free shipping on this. I'm so weird about shipping. I hate paying shipping. I mean, I know we have to, but it's just not fun. But here it is. They tied it up with a bow, really nice and pretty. All right, so there's the little dust bag it comes in, and it's cute. It's my initial. So they have silver, and then they also have gold. I like this one because the initial doesn't move. So it's static on there, just like the butterfly is. One thing that I have problems with when I'm wearing necklaces is the necklace turning. You know what I'm talking about? So the back part will be in the front. But when you have one that's like this, that's static, whatever you call that, it's not going to turn. So I like that. Let me see if I can get this out really quickly. I don't think I've ever seen a clasp like this one before. So first of all, here it is. Okay, really pretty. And I was like, what the heck is this? So there's no real clasp. I mean, I don't think that you can get that through that. That's pretty small right there. But this is what it was on. So you can see that there. And you can actually move it. So you just pull it. So you can move that little loop wherever you want it on the necklace within that area right there. So how cool is that? I like that. That also made it really easy to put it in the loop because you can hold on to that little ball there and get it in there really easily. Let me put my butterfly necklace back in there and you can see right there. So really pretty, I think, right? All right, that's all I have for you today. If you're wondering about my hair, this is Seduction by Main Attraction in the color Chestnut. I don't have a review on this one, I don't think. I have an unboxing of the same wig, but in a different color, but I don't have a review on this one yet. If you'd like to see a review, let me know. I've actually been wearing this one quite a lot, believe it or not. So I really like this wig. But that's all I have for you today. Thank you again for watching. Have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.